EXPI-DOOR door installation instructions. The tools you will need to install the door are a hammer, drill, levels, channel lock C-clamps, screw gun, and an Allen wrench. Material type: caulk, mastic, grout, and special fasteners, if applicable, vary from job to job based upon the architect's or end user's particular preferences. Therefore, these items are to be provided by others and are not available from EXPI-DOOR as options. Doors are delivered to the site, crated for protection. Before the driver leaves, inspect the crates for damage by the carrier. Don't forget to check underneath through the fork entry. Scan the QR code for the installation instructions. Unscrew the 4 screws, 2 on each end, securing the crate lid. Remove the crate lid. Unfasten the doors from each other, and the pallet is needed. Remove the packet of installation fasteners, door hardware instructions, and keys from the door handle. Stand the door up in the desired location for installation. Align the front of the door with the edge of the girt. Using the level, check the door on the hinge side for plumb and square. Always start on the hinge side. Secure the door at the base with the compression anchors provided in the hardware pack. Loosen the fasteners securing the girt clips. Slide the girt clip up to the underside of the girt. Tighten the fasteners. Repeat on the other side of the door. Check the reveal to be sure it is even all the way around the door. If it is uneven, adjust the frame. Using the provided fasteners, attach the girt clips to the girt on both sides of the door. Lock the girt clips in place by installing the locking fastener on both sides of the door. Drill pilot holes for the threshold anchors and install the compression anchors provided in the hardware pack. Check the door close time. Using an Allen wrench, make any necessary adjustments to the closing speed, latching speed, and back check. Instructions for your specific closer are included in the hardware pack. Do not back valves out completely as pneumatic oil will escape. Ideal close time is 6 seconds from 90 degrees open to fully closed. Caulk, provided by others, around the perimeter of the threshold. Adding jamb extensions. Secure the girt clips to the jamb extension. Insert the jamb extension into the channel and slide it up so it touches the girt. If a mid-level girt is to be used, cut the extension to the required length. Secure the extension in place with screws at the top, middle, and bottom on each side. Repeat on the other side. Loosen the fasteners on the girt clips. Slide girt clip to ensure girt clip is all the way up to girt, and retighten fasteners. Secure the girt clip to the girt. Repeat all steps for the jamb extension on the other side. Troubleshooting a door that doesn't close tightly. Check if the strike plate is loose or misaligned. If loose, tighten screws. If the strike plate is misaligned, loosen screws, adjust strike plate, and retighten screws.